Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Live Trading the Stock Market here on Bob Squared Finance. So step into my office and let's get started. We're going to be trading out of my personal portfolio today. All right, so what do we have going on today? Look, we put a limit buy in last night. Actually, I was working a little overtime for you guys. Put a limit buy in last night for Snapchat, thinking maybe pre-market is going to dip down into that 1290 range. And so we did put our limit buy in for 1290. We're going to see if we can't swing for the fences on that. If we miss it, we're going to go ahead and get that thing canceled early on. And we're going to look for something else. We've got PBI. We've got GoPro. Those are kind of the three that we're looking to move into, move into more. We've already hold all three of them, so we'll see what happens here at the start of the bell. Man, I'm so glad to have you guys on board. Do go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That helps me out so much here at the channel. So glad to have you. I will have daily content for you. So as long as you like business, finance, a goofball to sit here and entertain you, then you're going to be just fine here. You definitely want to hit that subscribe button, hit like if you like this video. Leave me your questions, comments, answers, sarcastic remarks in the comments down below. Love hearing from you guys. That's what we're all about here. We're trying to build a community of like-minded people. So get on board. Let's get moving. And I'm going to flip it over to myself. Enjoy. All right, guys. Tuesday, July 17th, 2018. Awesome morning so far. Hope you guys are enjoying it. We are trading here live on Robinhood. This is a little bit of footage from last night here. I went ahead and, I gave you guys some advice about the middle of the show yesterday. I said, make sure you get those limit buys in. Don't miss out. I missed a swing at Snapchat yesterday as it fell below the point at which I was willing to buy it. And so last night, I said, I'm going to take my own advice. Let's go ahead and put that limit buy in. So that's what you'll see here at the start. We do have the opening bell coming up here in just a few minutes as we take a look through our portfolio here. Looks like we got 1 minute to go. We're going to see if Snapchat falls below our basis here. It looks like pre-market it was trending in that direction, so hopefully here right at the start we will drop down 6 more cents and get that 1290 limit buy to go through for us. Tuesday, guys, Tuesday, what is going on? What's the strategy here? Leave me some comments down below. What are you guys looking to get into? What stocks do you like right now? What stocks are you already holding? Love to get a conversation started. This is our opening bell segment for Tuesday. We do have a closing bell segment coming a little bit later today. Keep your eyes out for that. There's that opening bell. So we've got about $30 to work with in total, assuming Snapchat limit buy does not go through. So we will look. It looks like it jumped right up as soon as the bell rang. So probably I will end up going through and canceling that order. That way we'll free that capital up in case something drops down. We want to have that available to us to be able to spend. PBI is trending down. It is right there at that buy range where we've been targeting it at the $8.70 range right now. So do look for us to possibly take another swing at PBI. We also have GoPro. It's going to be trending down for now, and looks like it just popped back up. So perhaps PBI looks like that will be the Lone Red Power Ranger there, the Lone Ranger in the red today for now anyway. So we might be looking to swing at something new. Might be looking to swing at PBI. We'll just have to do a little bit of thinking, a little bit of digging, a little bit of research, and you guys will be right here along the way, so I appreciate that. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Typically we'll have 3 videos coming out every single day. That's live trading the stock market on Robinhood, opening bell segment, closing bell segment, and then my daily vlog as well, the broke trader. So we'll keep you entertained around here. No worries, guys. So we're going to go ahead and put that limit buy in for PBI here. I believe we're going to be shooting for 865. Sounds like a good number here. It's trading right at 868 right now. Getting in at 865 would be brilliant. It looks like it dropped down a little bit earlier to that 865 mark, so we'll see if it dips its toes in that water one more time here. We're going to fire off that limit buy here for PBI. That's Pitney Bowes for those trading at home. Oh, let's see. That will be that'll leave us just about $15 in liquidity. We're going to do 2 shares there. If you remember in yesterday's trading, we did 3 shares of Pitney Bowes, and our Fibonacci ratio called for 5. So this 2 will shore us up and keep us right on track there. If we see a big significant drop in PBI, then we will hopefully have enough liquidity to swing for 8 shares next time. So keep your eyes on this channel, guys. We are live trading the stock market on Robinhood every single trading day. Then we've got the Broke Trader vlog as well. So thank you guys so much for joining us. Do subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Leave me any stock picks, questions, comments, answer sarcastic remarks in the comments below. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, that's another exciting opening bell segment in the books here on Bob Squared Finance, live trading the stock market on Robinhood. So glad to have you along. I am at my day job today, so tune into the Broke Trader vlog. It should be dropping right after my closing bell segment for later to check out a little bit of my workflow here. Hope to see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. I can't tell you how much I appreciate you guys. We have a 30 subscriber bonus video coming out real soon for you, so keep your eyes tuned to this channel, and we'll see you soon, guys. Thank you so much. Hope you have a profitable day. Bobby signing off.